Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to design email campaigns with Mailchimp. To begin, you want to head over to the Mailchimp website and sign up. I already have an account, so I will click Login. Since for this video we are focusing on emails, I will go to Create, Email, and I will select Template. Mailchimp has a lot of templates to choose from. Since I am on a free account, I only have access to the free templates, so I will select the option to show free templates only. I will choose this one and I will name my template Test. Now we can see the email and everything that we can add to it, from headings to paragraphs, buttons, images, etc. Let's make this example a 10% off coupon email that someone may see from an online retailer. So first I will select the logo at the top and change the logo to my business logo. Okay, and now for the text. Okay, I think that looks good. Now, because I want to add the code at the bottom, and I do not want to write it in the middle, I will have to add an extra paragraph. So for that, I'm going to grab the paragraph option and drag it just below the text. Now, to start typing from the left, I'm going to select up here and choose to start left aligned. And now I can type in the code. Okay, so I think this looks good as it is. I do not need to add an image, so I'm going to select the image and click Remove Block. And now to change the button text, I'm going to double click on it to highlight it all. And now I'm going to change it to, for example, your new products are waiting. Now I'm pretty happy with how the email looks. It's very simple. However, it will definitely catch someone's attention. So now to change the colors, just to make it a bit more vibrant and to make a person more interested. To do that, we will go to Styles. And from here, we can see that we can change the background color, body color, text color, and everything else. I'm going to just change the email color itself. Something like this. The text looks pretty easy to read as this background color, so I'm going to leave it as it is. I forgot to change my buttons. So in order for people to be able to be directed to your web page, you will need to click on the button itself and you'll see here link to, and you can set the link to wherever you need it to be linked to. So now with the top half of this email, I think I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm going to move on to the bottom half. So here I can see that there's a Facebook, Instagram, and X logo, meaning that I can link people to my Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter page. So to do that, I will first click on the box. And then on the left hand side, you'll see the URL boxes where I can paste my social media pages. I will leave it blank just because this is a test. So now that's pretty much it. At the bottom, you can change the copyrights and the mailing address. However, obviously because this is just a test, I'm going to leave that as blank. To finish off, I'm just going to make sure that this looks fine on mobile. To do that, if you head to Styles and click on the mobile tab, you can see what it looks like for mobile. And it looks pretty good, so I think I'm going to leave it exactly as it is. Once you are happy with how your email looks, click at the top right where it says Save and Exit to save the email, and now you are done. If you have any questions, comment them down below. Thank you for watching.